So hi, yeah, we're going to have a little look at these new kits that have come through from Muntons. We've got 3 of the cocktail style, which is strawberry daiquiri, Pina Colada and hard lemonade, and then we've got 4 beers. So we're going to start with one of the cocktails, and Nina has come to help me with it. So Nina, which one do you fancy doing?
I think I quite fancy trying the strawberry daiquiri, please.
Okay, so that's the one we're going to do. So would you like to just have a little look at it and open the box, see what's involved?
Yeah, looking pretty straightforward. Let's have a little look. Yeah, that's all.
I'll take that.
Yeah, take that out of the way. So I've just got to unroll it here. Okay, so it looks like we've got an extra sort of cap.
And some yeast.
And some yeast.
Right, so what we're going to do first is we're going to take the white cap off.
Yeah.
And there's a pull tog in there, so just grip it and pull it quite firmly. That's it. Okay.
Don't have to.
And that just pulls off.
That's it.
Now what we need to do is we need to take 4 pints of water. The water wants to be warm between 20 and 25. So if we just lift that up, well, I'll hold it, and then you just get the jug and...
Okay.
Do you want to put a funnel in there? Would that make it easier?
Yeah, it would actually. Can I use this?
There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
So we're just going to put the funnel in there.
Okay, that's great. So we're going in.
No disasters yet.
Oh, so far so good. Okay, so that's one of the jugs.
Right.
Let's see a bit.
Just take that. And I'm just going to put the cap on because I want you just to give it a good shake.
Okay, yeah.
So can you just give that a good shake? We've got full instructions that come with it, so that's obviously a bonus. We can start looking at these and reading as to where we're going. So we're just giving that a full shake.
Okay.
And we then need to add another 4 pints, making a total of 8 pints. Actually, it's in that jug there.
In this jug?
Yeah, I've got it all ready for you.
Okay, thank you.
I think it does make it easier with the funnel, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, the funnel definitely helps. Okay. Great.
Perfect. Right, we're going to now put the yellow cap on. Give it a good
Have a little shake.
shake again. We just want to make sure it's all nicely mixed and dissolved.
Okay. Yeah.
Right, now that should stand up with the base as it is.
Oh,
See how the base is like concertinaed? So
easy.
that makes it. And what they say is please don't put it on something like a windowsill or something like that, because obviously it can topple, or on the edge of a worktop like here it could topple and fall off. So we've concertinaed the base.
Yeah.
We're just going to now put the yeast in.
The yeast, thank you.
That's the yeast gone in.
Yeah, that's all.
I'll put the cap on again.
Okay, and then I need to...
And just give it another little shake then.
just mix again.
Perfect.
Okay.
So it's now saying the bag should now be placed in a room at between 18 and 25 C.
Okay.
And as we said earlier, not on the edge. Now we're going to now loosen off the cap because the fermentation will take place. What will happen is the yeast will convert the sugars in the mix to alcohol. As it does that, it will give off CO2, and the CO2 needs to escape. So that's going to come through this little vented cap here. So we're going to put that in a place now where we can leave it, as I said, between 20 and 25.
Yeah, so once I've done all this mix and I'm leaving it to rest in the right temperatures, how long will it be until it's drinkable?
We're looking at 21 days from start to finish before it's going to be ready to drink. You're going to end up with roughly 20 lots of 250 mils.
Okay.
So think of 250 mils as a nice drink.
Yeah.
You're going to get roughly 20 drinks out of this.
Oh, right, so a large glass of wine sort of size, really.
Yeah,
okay.
that's it.
A bit of ice and...
Yeah, so again, it'd be nice if we keep it somewhere chilled.
Yeah.
Now, when we actually come, what will happen is this will actually blow up as well.
Okay.
So it will sort of like expand with the fermentation. So don't panic about that if you see that. If you find it's expanding really too much, just check this seal here isn't tight, because obviously if you make that tight, the gas has got nowhere to go. So just make sure that that is nice and loose here, just on the cap. Also, the first little bit that we take off is going to have a little bit of sediment which will build up behind the tap. Okay. So again, we need to be wary of that. And also on the base of the tap, you can probably see there's a little foil which obviously we need to remove when we come to start to use it. It's just a protective cap, that is.
Okay.
So how excited are you on marks out of 10?
Got my friends round.
Marvellous. So we've got the 3 types in this. As we've said earlier, we've got the lemon, the hard lemonade, and we've got the Pina Colada style to go with our strawberry.
Nice.
Marvellous.
Lovely. So how much is this going to cost?
Well, we're looking at under £20, so that's nice.
Great.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good.
But I think the thing is, it's a bit of fun, and I think the quality of the product is great, so it gives you something to really try and enjoy.